Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Faraway. In this video I'm going to be painting a wide body kit, a HELLCAT wide body kit from Vicrez. So stay tuned, let's begin. Alright, let's just begin. Right now, you know guys that my car does have a wide body kit, but I removed that. Not because it fell or anything, but because the wide body kit that my car had was a Demon style wide body kit. This is a HELLCAT style wide body kit, which is what I'm going to be installing on my car. So I am going to be removing the Demon style and installing this HELLCAT. Alright, everything that I do is reversible, meaning that you can remove it from your car if you want and leave it as factory, but you're gonna install it and it's not gonna come off. I'm gonna be showing you step by step in a previous video as to how I'm gonna install the wide body kit. All right, right here, real quick, I'm gonna show you that I already removed it. And you're saying that, what do you mean it's reversible? You can see everything. Yes, but you come around, everything has been removed. The car is back to factory. So everything I show you guys, it's permanent if you want it permanent, but if you don't, you can remove it. So when you get bare plastic, all of these are plastic parts. When you get bare plastic, you do need to scuff them down. I used the gray Scotch-Brite to scuff everything down. You don't have to press, just scuff it down, just make it a little bit dull and you're good to go. On the bumpers, same deal, just scuff them down, you're good to go. But you're not ready to paint. You still need to add some adhesion promoter. I use this, I've never had any issues. This is Bulldog by Clean Strip. I've never had any issues. This one's I do it with a gun. Now there is an aerosol can that you can buy and just apply it. Apply everything that's going to be painted. You have to apply some adhesion promoter. If not, paint's going to peel in about a day or two. You do need to add this. But before you apply the adhesion promoter, you got to clean it. You got to clean your surfaces with some wax and grease remover. All right. So get yourself a microfiber towel and wipe it down. Wipe everything down. Make sure that the surface is nice and clean before applying that adhesion promoter. The adhesion promoter has been applied. I'm going to apply 2 coats. This is the first coat, and I'm just going to wait about 20 minutes for it to dry and then come back, apply a second coat, wait another 20 minutes, and then I can start applying that sealer. That's a sealer. All it needs is 1 coat, guys. 1 coat of sealer. And I hope you're liking the other angle of the camera that I'm doing. Trying to do some different angles so you can see how it's being painted. but I hope you like it. Also, you saw me wearing shorts because it's about 100 degrees in here. It is hot. So yeah, that's it. Let me just let it set for about 15 minutes. Come back, start applying that paint. But let me show you the paint I'm going to be using. The paint I'm going to be using, it's from HELLCAT right there. And it's the color of my car, guys. It's a very difficult color to match. HELLCAT was the only company that actually matched the paint better than anybody else around. Here you go, 3 coats. 3 coats of base. Now this color is called Smoke Show from Dodge, and it's one of the most difficult colors to match, not to spray, to match. But hopefully it's good. Let's just wait in about 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, start applying the clear. Now the clear I'm going to be using is from American Icon Euro Clear C820. There you go, guys. Let's see how this clear sprays, and let's see how this clear lays down. Let's mix it up, start spraying. There it is, 3 coats of clear. Now the clear looks awesome. Remember, this is from American Icon spray gunner. Real nice, came out real nice. And that's it. All I gotta do is just wait for it to dry so that I can install it in my car. But that's gonna be in the next video. All right, guys, this will be it. Thank you very much. Hope you appreciate the videos that I'm making for you guys. Now you know how to paint some plastic bumper covers or anything that's plastic on your vehicle, just follow these steps exactly the same way. And this will be it. All right, thank you. All the materials that I use are in the description below. Guys, really appreciate you following me. All right, and this will be it, guys. Thank you. Have a great week, and like always, stay safe and God bless.